Urban gardening Thailand. Join me in my tropical Asian garden. This is my Mammillaria Prolifera cactus, commonly called a Texas Nipple Cactus. It is native to Mexico and southwestern America. I was pleasantly surprised when it started to flower. They are a pale yellow color, and the ants seem to enjoy crawling around the center. The flowers are open during the day and close up at night, a behavior known as nyctinasty. It is growing more buds, as you can see here, and I hope they open soon too. On this plant, it took a long time for the flower bud to finally open, maybe weeks. And now that it has flowered, it is flowering for a long time. It is only about 2 inches tall, about 5 centimeters. I've had this plant for about 7 or 8 months, and I'm not sure how old it was when I got it, but I'd estimate it took about a year or so for it to flower. It gets strong morning light and then indirect light all day. I am not using any special soil, just regular potting soil with sand on top. I give it a small amount of general fertilizer once a month, and I water it when it looks like it's really dry and thirsty. A low-maintenance, small, compact plant, the Texas Nipple Cactus, may be a perfect addition to your cactus collection. Thanks for watching. Tick that like button and subscribe to my channel. You can find Lucky Dog's life playlist, gardening playlist, and computer tutorial playlists from the links in the description below. See you next time!